Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and we've got another listing tip for you today. If you're looking to get something started on Amazon, then listen to Sarah, my wife. Sarah.
Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Today we're talking about getting your product to Amazon for your listing. So not a lot of people are aware that Amazon has limitations around what size box they'll take and how heavy that box can be. Some of the repercussions are if you don't follow Amazon's rules, they can block you, they can delete your account, they can take 6 months to accept your product. It can cause you a whole range of headaches.
So is it how big your box is or how big it weighs?
So the weight is one of the main issues, but there are also limitations on the size. You can check that out on Amazon's website. But weight is where a lot of people get tripped up. Why? Because you're so excited about your first product. You tell your supplier, yes, let's deliver it straight away. Let's get it out. Let's get my labels done. Let's keep on moving. One of the things that your suppliers don't care about is how big the box is. It's easy for them to package everything in one box. And Amazon US changed their weight limit from 30 kilos down to 22.5 kilos. And so lots of people are getting tripped up by rushing their stock out to Amazon FBA, but not being aware of where the limits are.
Okay.
So it's really important.
Each box can't weigh more than 22.5 kilos.
22.6 for Australia, or 50 pounds.
Okay.
Same limitation for US as well as Australia at the moment.
Okay.
And it's mostly so that Amazon can take the health and safety of their own staff carefully and they're not lifting large loads.
That's true, so keep that in mind guys. And a lot of the products that we show you how to go about finding anyway on Amazon are pretty lightweight. They need to be under a kilo anyway, but we're talking about the carton size here. So you put, your product might be a kilo, but if you have more than 20 products or 23 products in the box, then it might have an issue with Amazon, right? So just be wary of that as well guys. So you would talk to your supplier about this, we would help you as well. We would make sure that it is something, it definitely is under that, just to ensure there's no problems when it arrives at the Amazon warehouse. So it's different between Australia and USA?
They're now aligned, so US is now aligned with Australia. So 50 pounds or 22.6 kilos for both Amazon AU and the US at the moment, at the time of making this video.
Okay, well there you have it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is Sarah.
Hey.
Saying goodbye, and I wish you all the best on your Amazon journey. Don't forget to check out our free training that we've got in our online area, members area, right? And our free training we've got on our website as well. We do give a lot of tips out in terms of getting something started and also finding new products for your Amazon store. See you later. Have a great day. Bye bye for now. See you, Sarah.